guys, it's I am from ArduinoTutorial.com. Now, this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do the Dimabale LED project. So the goal of it is to control the brightness of the LED with the potentiometer. So let's get back into it. So for this project, this is the supplies. So for this project, you need an Arduino Uno R3. It's the brain of the project, and a 250 kilo ohm potentiometer. You can do 10 kilo ohms. Yeah, it's preferably 10 kilo ohms. I'm gonna change this value, yeah, when we progress in the course. So, and a red LED and 100 ohms resistor, current limiting resistor. In the LED, you can pick any color you want. Green, blue, cyan, it doesn't matter. So now we're gonna see how it's made. So you see here we have, I'm gonna delete all these wires so we can you can see how I plug them. So yeah, so let's read what we done. Oh yeah, let's change this to 10. Yeah, change this to 10 kilo ohms. So it's done. Let's just verify, and it's 10 kilo ohms. So yeah, good. So now the left, so now you basically hook up the left leg of the potentiometer to 5 volts right there, like that. Now the left leg of the right leg of the potentiometer to GND, that means ground, the minus if you want. So turn it to black. The middle leg of the potentiometer to A0, like that, to A0. Now change the color, whatever you want. I'm gonna pick up yellow. Now when you're done, you have to hook up the anode to a current limiting resistor, like I said, so to prevent that it blows up. Yeah, so you hook up the current limiting resistor to a digital pin, one with the squiggly. You have 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna pick up 6. Yeah, you pick up what you want, and then I'm gonna put the cathode of the LED. Why I can't do this? Okay, the cathode of the LED into the GND. It's okay. So black, red, just like that. And like I said, I'm gonna put the code and the supplies down the link below, and I'm also gonna put a link to kit, to an Arduino kit down below. So yeah, and stay tuned for the next video, where I'm gonna explain all the functions of these components. So you go to code, change to text. It was on blocks. Okay, continue. It was on blocks, but now you have to change it to text. Yeah, continue. Copy and then paste the code. Okay, now begin the simulation. As you see, okay, it's slightly bugging, but hey. So you wanna turn the knob all the way to the right, and what you see that, oh no, So we're back. Now start the simulation. And you might see it turn off and on. Yeah, it might not be seeable here because of the brightness, but it works exactly the same. So you saw how to do it. And in the next video, I'm gonna hook it up physically, like not virtually. So guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you liked, and if yes, please share, comment, and subscribe, and leave a like. And until the next video, stay tuned.